Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to work for Rockstar Games. First, thoroughly research Rockstar's company culture and values to ensure alignment. Next, identify specific roles that match your skills and career aspirations. Building a compelling portfolio is crucial. It should highlight your best work relevant to the gaming industry. Finally, actively network with professionals and current Rockstar employees to gain insights and potential referrals. When applying, customize your resume and cover letter for each specific role at Rockstar Games. Emphasize your most relevant experience and quantifiable achievements to stand out. Always submit your application directly through their official careers website. Be ready for various assessments, which might include technical tests or creative challenges, depending on the position you are seeking. To ace your interview, research your interviewers and their respective departments thoroughly. Practice answering common behavioral questions, focusing on specific examples of your skills and experiences. Prepare insightful questions to ask them, demonstrating your engagement and interest. Most importantly, convey your genuine passion for gaming and a deep understanding of Rockstar's iconic titles. After your interview, send a personalized thank you note to each interviewer within 24 hours. Use this opportunity to reiterate your strong interest and enthusiasm for the specific role. The decision-making process can take time, so patience is key. If the outcome isn't what you hoped for, thoughtfully consider any feedback provided to improve future applications.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.